Slow things down today with a cozy slice of comfort and a warm pot of tea. This is one of Grandma Judy's timeless tea time treats. French apple cake is moist, packed with apples, and kissed with a hint of spice and dark rum. And the best part? It starts with a box of cake mix. All the ingredients are listed in the description below. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Sift the cake mix into a medium bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Peel, quarter, and chop 3 medium apples and set them aside. In a large bowl, beat 2 room temperature eggs with a whisk. Add the 1/2 cup of melted butter. Add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next we add the spices, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. And this is the best part. It really makes it special. A little dark rum adds a rich, cozy flavor. It's 1/4 cup of dark rum. And then we just whisk it all together so that it's well blended. You really don't need an electric mixer for this recipe. Now once that's beaten, let's prepare our baking pan. Make sure that it's well greased. You can use butter or shortening. Get into all the corners and crevices. And then we're going to line it with a piece of parchment paper. That just gives it some extra lift when we're trying to get this cake out. And then we're going to grease on top of the parchment paper. Now stir the dry ingredients, that's your cake mix and salt, into the wet ingredients, and that's the egg, butter, rum, and spice mixture. It's pretty easy because that cake mix has everything in it. Just blend it gently and be careful not to overmix. We don't want a tough French apple cake. That's looking really good. And I love to use a spatula because you can always pull the batter away from the sides. Now we're ready for the apples. And again, just gently fold the chopped apples into the batter until everything looks pretty well blended. That looks great. You're doing a good job. If you're enjoying this recipe and you'd think you'd like to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps my little channel. So let's get that batter spread evenly into the prepared cake pan. Get all the little bits. That's why I love to use a spatula, because there's no waste. And just smooth across the top. Kind of push it around. As I said, you want to make sure that it's well balanced within the pan and spread evenly. That looks great. Just one more little. Okay, now we're going to pop it in the oven for about 45 to 55 minutes. And there's your beautiful French apple cake. Isn't it gorgeous? When you're ready to serve, A snowy sprinkle of powdered sugar makes this feel extra special, just like Grandma used to do. Perfect for afternoon tea, a quiet moment, or sharing with someone you love. Just look at those delicious chunks of apples peeking out of your slice of cake. It's really moist, and the blend of vanilla, rum, and the spices make that flavor really special. Thanks for baking with me today. I hope this French apple cake becomes one of your go-to cozy treats. And if you enjoyed the video, I hope you'll hit the like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss another video. Happy baking!